Well, we were waiting for confirmation on several things, but this story has been reported on by other people, and in some of those stories, people were branching out and making bizarre claims regarding neurotoxins and things of that sort, and then you're talking chemical warfare, not biological warfare, but there seems to be a neurologic aspect to the coronavirus infection, whether the infection invades and attacks brain tissue or the nervous system, or whether this gets your cells to produce a neurotoxic protein. We don't know. We don't know yet the exact biochemical responses that are going on in the body with respect to this coronavirus. But what we do know is that one of the highest people in the land, so to speak, that deal with chemical biology and chemistry itself at Harvard University, no less, a chairman, no less, of the departments, someone who had contracts with the Defense Department even, also was taking payments from, guess who? Wuhan Institute of Technology. And that's really what we were waiting on, is that connection. We wanted to make sure that there was a direct link between this guy smuggling information and possibly biological samples to the Chinese, but not just to the Chinese, to the Wuhan Institute itself. The suspicions of a biological leak or a biological weapon, those suspicions were being raised from the very start. It wasn't me who raised those suspicions, but it sure was quite curious that they're downplaying the death rates at 3.5%, but meanwhile we're going way over the top, overkill, and try to contain something that didn't seem to be that virulent at the time. So when they're cordoning off cities, they're trying to contain something scary. And now the truth is coming out. So, what it means to me and you, I'm happy they're reporting on these arrests. I'm happy they're reporting on the ties between this guy and the Wuhan Institute of Technology. They're not keeping that a secret. So that kind of information is helpful to instill trust that our government and our officials are going to take this serious, and that they're not going to cover up anything. And if that's the case, then they don't have a hand in this epidemic, but they do have a hand in how we respond to it. Other arrests have been made in separate indictments. One person cannot be arrested because he's not on U.S. soil, but a third individual was arrested at an airport for trying to smuggle, get this, biological samples. Another reason we were holding off on reporting is, first of all, other people had already reported on it, even mainstream, but we really wanted to confirm what the heck was in those biological samples that were confiscated from the Chinese national in an actual airport. We were unable to confirm the exact contents of those biological samples. But we decided to go ahead and, just in case you didn't know, let you know that a biochemical engineer was arrested for selling secrets to the Wuhan Institute of Technology, and Wuhan, as you know, is the epicenter for this viral outbreak. So this just adds even more gasoline to the fire of suspicion, and we are hoping that the federal authorities hold China accountable, that the federal authorities protect us every way they can, and until next time, eyes open, guys, wide open.